Today we're working on this pile. We're basically putting in a front floor because it was as rotten as Bill Gates. And yeah, as you can tell, the floor pan is pretty much sheet rubbish. Put on your rest, Bears.
Somebody made this thing out of the thinnest fucking...
Oh, look. Oh, aren't you beautiful? Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah, you're a bad little car. What's that? What's that? You want me inside you?
Just fish oil the absolute shit out of it. Hopefully I can order some carpets. And there you go. Got my underlay in there. Bit of homemade underlay which I found down the bottom shed. Works. Good afternoon, folks. I just thought I'd give you guys a bit of a look at what Rare Spares gives you compared to I forget what mob I bought them from. I'll figure it out in the next thing. But look at Rare Spares product. It's freaking not even straight. I reckon just look at it. Looks like somebody just fucking threw up all over it. Alright, show you the next bit. These, I feel Rare Spares is friggin' junk. There's no care in it at all. But I'll show you the next. I've got one for the other side. I'll show you that. Alright, here's the other one I've got. Both are the same side because I stuffed up and bought the opposite side, which I bought the same side. I will check on my eBay listing later. Look at this one. This is the one I bought ages ago. Really good shape. Good, looks good. Quality. All one sort of bend. One piece jobby. Very neat product. Except I literally feel that Rare Spares has literally gone to the dogs, you know? Because you look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Do better, Rare Spares. Good afternoon, folks. Got my tail shaft back from Thimac Engineering. He did a really neat job. He basically copied the one out of my GDS. Really neat welds. I think that's just where it joined. But yeah, really, I'm pretty happy with that. Can't wait to actually drive this one and the GDS. Actually, I really want to park them like side by side. New uni installed. All done. Hope everyone's having a cracker of a day. Cheers. Yeah, just doing some work on this thing today. I'm probably in the middle of doing an update video. Haven't really posted anything lately. Been working on this thing as well. Got new carpet. Carpet's installed. Front floor's been done. Should turn up the camera, shouldn't I? Start on the rear. Put the rear quarters in it. I'll put some photos and video of that in a minute. Yeah, it's all been done. Nice quality product from Aveska. Afternoon, ladies and gents. Working on the HQ today. I decided to do some rust proofing on the floor. I hit it with a sander, grinder, wire wheel. Hopefully all the rust will turn black. I didn't want to sandblast it because I didn't want to blow holes through everything. Yeah, quarters are all done, both sides. I just put some etch primer on there, and I'm going to put some sound deadener over the quarters, which is not like a chunky, ugly looking sound deadener. It's alright though. What are you guys up to the rest of the day? Alright, this is before paint, and after rust converting, it looks a lot better than it did yesterday. So it's basically had a full 20 hours to dry. See what it looks like after I put some GMH black on there. Alright, that's the first coat. I'm not painting the whole thing because I still want to keep some of the originality. I'm just doing basically where it's rusty, or where it was rusty, and so far so good. As you can see by that, I've only just sort of put some coats of paint on there. Alright, this is the probably about third coat. I'm basically gonna I've probably got another about 250 mils of kill rust, not kill rust, chassis black, and I'm just gonna paint it, and I'm just gonna scrap this bit. Alright, she's now dry. What do you reckon? Not too bad for what it was like before. Genuine HQ rust in Zodiac Blue, $100,000 or near a stuffer. I know what I got.
What's everyone having for lunch? Let me know in the comments.
Almost done. Look at that. Looking good on this side. Alright folks, what I've done is I've hit it with 240 since it's been primed, and I'm going to start putting some of this on this side to emulate this stuff, and yeah, basically trying to replicate what was there. Alright, let's see how it looks. I don't think that'll be a bad that's pretty close. Very pointy. Very pointy on the spray. Alright, I'm gonna go off the camera now and actually do it properly. Talk to you in a minute. Alright, I like the colour of it that it put out, but the fan on this paint is like you're spraying like you're fucking bad Chad, you know? So if you don't know who bad Chad is, have a look. Yeah, but apart from that, the colour's good. I'm relatively happy with it. Yeah, that's sort of how it's come out like. A bit hard with the friggin' sunlight in my eyes. And over here. So, I'm not sure how it's coming out in the camera, but there you go. As you see, it's a bit stripy, but yeah. Not happy with the fan on it. Maybe it was too hot out here. Alright, I'm about to put some colour on there. Of a bit of a custom mix to try and match the patina. Wasn't too bad, but I don't think it'll be that close. Yeah, so it's all sanded down with 240. Should work alright.